YouTubers, this is Hayden Todd, known as Cupstacker 2003, and hope you guys are going to have a good Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And today's video that I'm reacting to is William wrecks Bill's truck. This one's by viollete1st. Hope you check out viollete1st, and her link will be in my description below. And let's get to the video. See how it turns out. I bet it's not going to turn out good. Put a like on this video. I'm trying to hit 100 subscribers.
Well, hey everybody.
Okay, let's have this. Okay, hey, well,
this is the deal. Bill and I were sitting here, just kind of minding our business, and hoping to have like a nice family night with William.
Yeah, I hope so.
And then, all of a sudden, randomly, William came flying down the steps, uttering something about the delivery truck came by and didn't give him his package. He seemed frustrated, so he ran out the door and he borrowed Bill's truck without permission.
Jerk stole my truck.
No.
Stop calling him a jerk, Bill.
He stole it.
He borrowed it, Bill.
Jerk stole my truck.
Stop saying jerk, Bill.
He borrowed it, but he
Crazy
just forgot
dad.
to ask permission.
Well, that's your version. My version is he stole it.
Don't say steal.
Well, he did.
He borrowed it and forgot to ask.
I didn't tell him he could take it.
Wait, he forgot to ask you.
No, he stole it.
Haven't you ever taken something and forgot to ask if you
Yeah,
could
when
take
I do, that would be called stealing.
Well,
And he-
all right,
and
listen,
he's a
you're
jerk.
missing the point. No, stop.
No, he's not a jerk. Even though he's burning some of your stuff, that doesn't mean he's a jerk.
Like that, and I hope he's okay.
Dumbass dad.
Yeah, that's not
He better be. My truck better be okay.
I want
Just till you come, because Violet barely goes
I'm
out.
more worried about the truck.
Bill!
What?
Why would you not worry about your
Don't
son?
worry about your
Why would you not
son,
worry
too.
about
He
that?
shouldn't be going out doing
He
that.
seemed very
So
upset
what?
when he left.
Well, what do you think I am?
Well, I want you to be calm, okay?
He better get back here soon.
All right, you need to be calm. Getting upset isn't going to help.
I'm not putting up with him taking my truck like that.
When you deal with him, you can't be irate.
Yeah, well, when I see him, I'm going to be irate.
No. Whenever I deal with William, I'm very calm.
Oh my
and
God.
collected. That's how I deal with him,
Well,
and you need to be calm too.
yeah, but he just can't do taking my truck like
You
that.
gotta be calm, like I'm always.
You
with
crazy
him,
father.
okay? It helps us have a healthier relationship. Now, I'm not gonna sit here and argue about what you say is stolen.
Yeah, I know,
or
Violet. That's
okay?
a good idea not to
I'm just
argue a
gonna
lot
sit
with your
here and We're
husband.
gonna come back when William comes back, and I'm sure there's gonna be a logical
Why don't you
explanation.
try calling him on the phone?
Subscribe to me, guys.
Yes.
I'm only one subscriber away
We can
from
do
100.
that, but I don't want him to pick up the phone when he's driving. But
That's my
I will
only
try.
vehicle.
Okay, calm down.
Shit.
All right,
Well,
I'm gonna get off.
Does Violet want to go
see
out?
what's going on? Try to get in touch with him, and we'll come back with a follow up to this. All right. Oh my goodness, William's coming back. I'm gonna go out, and for some reason, he's just sitting in the middle of the driveway.
What? He's out there?
No, stop.
What do you mean stop? He's got my truck.
He's probably
Oh my
doesn't want
God.
to see you. He's trying to park in the middle of the driveway.
Well, hurry up with it.
No, you stay put, okay?
I
Because
want my truck.
just
hurry up.
stop.
Wait, you're not gonna go anywhere. Oh. Oh God, where is he?
William,
Oh.
what's going on? What's he?
Oh God. No, that's a dent right there. That's a dent right there.
Oh
My goodness. That is one dent.
What happened to the truck? Your dad's coming out. I hit the back of the delivery truck. What?
Why'd you hit it?
William?
William?
Delivery truck. What do you mean? Your dad's coming out. What do I do? You gotta keep him inside.
I don't know why you crushed that, wrecked that truck.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, that does not look good.
Go back, go hide or something.
Oh my
Don't-
goodness.
What do you mean?
Don't come. He's not. He just don't come out.
Tell him to bring the truck up here now.
No. Just sit down. We'll bring it up. Go back in the house. Go back in the house. We'll bring it up.
What are you
Go
talking
back in the
about?
house and we'll bring it up.
I want my truck.
No. Okay. Go back in the
I
house.
want my truck.
William, go ahead and bring your dad's truck up while he goes and sits down in the chair, and we'll bring him the keys. Why don't you go take a nap?
No.
Yeah. Go
I'm
take a
getting
nap.
my truck.
No.
Yes.
Please don't.
Yes.
No.
Give me my keys.
No.
Uh-oh.
What the frick did you do, jerk?
I hit the back of the delivery truck.
You freaking jerk! You wrecked my truck.
Oh, wow.
Why did you take my truck?
It's not that bad. You can just buff it out.
Buff it out, man.
Oh, God, you
What are
really,
you talking about?
you do have
I'm gonna
to,
pay for that, jerk.
Calm down.
you do have to,
What are you talking about?
You can probably just.
you do have to fix some of those headlights.
You're a freaking idiot.
Oh
You
my
wrecked
God,
truck,
that does
jerk.
not look
Try
good.
and push the dent out.
What are you talking about?
William, what are you doing?
You're gonna pay for this. You are gonna pay for this.
Why won't William pay for it?
Why didn't you stop the UPS?
My God, Bill. Seriously, an ad? Sorry, guys, I really do not like ads. I hate ads in the middle of videos.
The freaking delivery driver truck.
Is it my job to babysit for the UPS man?
Why didn't you stop him? Wait a second. Wait a minute. What does this have to do with the UPS truck or the delivery truck? What does this have to do with that, William?
Goodness gracious, this is what I get. I guess I gotta hide my keys
Let's go
everywhere.
inside. Let's go inside. I don't
Oh,
want to make it
dang.
my package.
What package?
My package.
You're worried about a package. You wrecked my truck.
Can we go in the house?
Oh, just be quiet,
How
Bill.
are we gonna get my package?
Just take your truck and it'll get
Let's go in the
fixed.
house and talk about this. I don't think your dad's too
Crazy
bad.
dad.
Get in the house, Bill.
Crazy
Get in
dad.
the house. Bill, get in the house.
Truck.
No, get in the house. Get in the house.
You're gonna pay for this,
Get in the
jerk.
house, Bill.
No, he's
Stop.
not gonna pay for it.
Get in the house.
It's your
Get in the
truck.
house.
Why do you think? Why, even though he's done something bad to something, why is it doesn't? Oh well, he did.
Give me your package.
Get in the house, both of
Well.
you. Oh my goodness, get in the house.
Well, he
What's
does.
in the
Well,
house?
he's the one who took it. I really gotta agree a little.
Get in the house. Sit down, both of you.
You're gonna pay for that
Where
truck,
is
jerk.
my package?
I'm not paying for.
You're gonna pay for that truck.
Oh,
We gotta call them up and get my package. Wait,
Screw that
wait a
package.
minute. Wait a minute. What? I don't want to. Wait,
You gotta pay for
wait.
the truck.
First, let's find out what happened.
you're the one paying
Sit
for
down,
it,
both of you.
Bill.
You're gonna pay for that truck,
Look, I'm
jerk.
trying to get this.
I'm-
I'm trying to sit down.
What?
Wait, why? Tell me why.
Oh God, Violet! I hate that gibberish sounding.
Why did you take the truck? I saw the UPS. Why did you borrow the truck without permission?
Exactly.
I saw the truck. I saw the truck.
Oh no, does
pull
William
off,
even have a
and so I
driver's
didn't
license?
catch it, so you're
Is
just
he even
like,
licensed
wait,
to
wait,
drive?
wait.
Is he even licensed? He's like 17, 18.
I
Huh?
have to ask you. Wait a
You know
minute.
what?
Wait a second.
Screw the package.
No,
Where are you gonna
wait.
fix my truck?
What happened?
Probably
I
never,
need
Bill.
my package. Wait a minute. You need to focus on that first. We need to call them up before they close. You went after the truck because you didn't get your package. We need to call.
Oh my God, Violet!
You went after the
Jesus.
truck because you didn't get your package. Yes. And what was the accident from? I was driving down the road, and then the truck had the nerve to stop in the middle of the road in front of a house.
And you didn't stop before you hit him?
They deliver packages. That's what they do. So you
I think it's okay to crash.
So I would crash into him.
Why would you crash into a truck that which has?
Don't you know to hit the brakes on the vehicle when a car stops in front of you?
William, they always make deliveries. What are you doing that for? Well, the truck wasn't wrecked, so the guy.
Oh, he's
said
talking
it was
about the
like
UPS.
okay and you mean you have a report? So I mean, my gosh.
You're
You
gonna pay for that
stopped
truck,
because
jerk.
William, they stopped to make deliveries. Okay, just because you didn't get your package, maybe you should have.
Well, how am I gonna get my package now?
Go on a computer
Oh,
and
God.
trace it.
How am I gonna get my truck fixed, jerk?
How am I gonna get my package? You
I
gotta
don't
trace
your
the
package.
package. It said it was coming today. Okay, but did you look to see if they said it came? It said it was delivered. Maybe it was at the mailbox. It said it was delivered. I checked the mailbox. William, it's not okay. Maybe you misunderstood what it said on the internet.
You gotta pay for that truck, jerk.
Bill, calm down.
Stop
Let's
it,
leave
Bill.
that bad.
Stop calling him
What are you
names.
talking about?
It's not that bad. I'll wreck your vehicle when you get one. How would you like it?
That's fine. You can just buff it out. It's not that bad.
Buff it out.
Just go get some paper.
You're gonna pay for it, jerk.
Just get some paper from the store. I'm ready
Yeah,
to
oh my
fire.
God.
Guys, please, just stop it. Stop it. Okay, come on. We gotta figure this out. We gotta figure it out. It's not even that bad. Okay, let's just.
Hey,
William, first, let's
Look.
find.
What? You didn't know about this, did you?
Send my package.
Yes. Yes.
How do you
I got
have
it
it?
when you were upstairs. No.
Oh God, Bill, give him the package.
It's my truck and you can have the package, jerk.
Give him the package, Bill. What is wrong with you?
Stop. Stop.
Why would we not give him a package if he has to pay for your truck?
Fix my truck and you can have my package.
That is so crap. That's the dumbest thing you ever do, Bill. Oh God.
You can have your package when you fix my truck, jerk.
No, come on. No, give me the package until we work this out. We have a shot. We can fix it.
Stop, jerk.
Bill, why do you have
fix my truck.
Even you had the package before the truck was even
Stop, jerk.
How did
Yeah,
Why didn't you tell him about the package?
Give him the freaking package,
Why
Bill,
didn't
you
tell him
fat
he
bastard.
had his package?
And that's the last time you're gonna
Bill,
touch my
why
truck.
didn't you
jerk.
tell
Give me
him?
the package.
No, 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 no.
I'll hit you back with it.
But why
I
didn't
know
you
you
tell
won't.
him about the package? But why didn't you tell him
It's
you
all
had his
your fault.
package?
See, you gotta pay for anything that you have to do
Bill,
to that truck.
why didn't you?
Pay for that
It's all your fault.
Bill,
You're gonna pay for that
wait,
truck.
why
It's
didn't you
all your
tell
fault.
him about the package? Why?
An ad, Willie? I'm sick of these ads, guys. I'm really sick of it.
Why didn't you tell him about he wouldn't have gone out for the
You
package?
ran out to my truck and took it.
No, no, Bill. No, Bill, that's not.
Yeah.
No, Bill. Bill, tell the truth.
Can I?
Why were
I'm
you
just kidding.
withholding his package to begin with?
Because you didn't give me a chance to tell him that I had it.
That's not true,
Stop,
Bill.
stop.
I talked about the package before when it's down here, and you didn't tell me.
Tell me.
Stop
He's
it.
he's not your package, Bill.
Stop it now. This is
Dumb.
You're gonna pay for that truck, jerk. You're gonna pay for that truck.
Please like,
It's all your fault.
subscribe to Raging Gaming.
Why did you have my package?
Click the like
Why
button.
did you wreck my truck?
Share,
Why
share,
did you have my
share.
Why did you wreck my truck,
Oh
jerk?
my
Why
goodness.
did you have my package?
I'm not sure what happened here. We're gonna have to figure this
Oh,
out.
I know what's gonna happen. He's gonna pay for that truck.
Stop.
No.
Bye.
Well, guys, this is a good reaction video, and I hope you like this video, and like and subscribe to my channel, Cupstacker 2003. And guess what? I'm only one subscriber away from hitting 100, and I'm gonna do a live stream. And hope you guys are having a good day, and I wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And this is Hayden Todd, and this is Cupstacker 2003 signing off. Have a good night. Have a good day, everybody.